Hi everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. Today we are going to see purchasing of a .com domain from Cloudflare Registrar. It is the cheapest domain name provider when considering the registration and renewal cost because their cost is fixed, that is 8.57. So we'll see how to buy the domain name from Cloudflare and setting up with our hosting provider with DNS and IP address. Cloudflare. Many of the website developers may familiar with this name because of their free SSL certificate, native DNS and CDN services to speed up your websites. They have recently started domain name registration with the cheapest price. You can see the price list of Cloudflare here. Cloudflare is very famous for the provision of security services with free of charge and provision of speed internet services. So you can select the free package. That free package includes the fast and easy use of DNS, unprotected DDoS mitigation, global local balance CDN, universal SSL certificate, and many other features are freely available with this Cloudflare. Let's sign up with Cloudflare. Click sign up and give your email address and password and click create account. After that you can purchase for the domain, but before purchasing the domain you have to verify that the email address is valid. So go to your email address provided and click Cloudflare to verify the email address. Once the email verification is done, go to your dashboard and click the buy domain. Then click register. I am going to buy a domain name called RBS Print. So just I am typing the name in the search bar and click search. So I can see the availability. So here rbsprint.com is available at the price of 8.57. Also the other domain types like rbsprint.net available at 9.95 and .org available at 10.11. So I'm going to purchase the rbsprint.com website. So I'll click the purchase and here it will show the detail. So I will register for 1 year. So then I'll click the next button. So you have to remember that your name servers will be automatically set to Cloudflare's name server. So you have to manually do the settings when you are going to host the website in a different hosting provider. So I will show how to do that. So first you will have to provide the details asked in this form, email, phone and other details to register the domain name. So once you provided the details, click continue. Once you click continue, you will go to the payment method. There are two payment methods available. One is credit card payment, other one is PayPal. So you can use the convenient one. After few seconds, your domain name will be set up. So you can see in the screen in the left side corner, my domain name is registered, that is rbsprint.com. And you can see the domain name is active and auto renew is on. If you want, you can off that auto renewal method. The difficult part of Cloudflare domain is you can't just modify the DNS server settings because the Cloudflare by default set of the name servers you can't edit. But when you using the GoDaddy or other or domain name providers, you can easily modify this DNS name servers. But in case of Cloudflare, you can't just change the name server. So for that you have to add some details. So this is the difficult part or a unfamiliar part of Cloudflare domain rate registration, but it is very easy. Once you familiar with that, you can easily do the changes. For that you have to know the IP address of your hosting providers and you have to add some A record, MX records. That's it. So let's go to find the IP address of the hosting provider. So I am using the Inter server as the hosting provider. So I am searching for the IP address. It's here. So this IP address, I just copy this IP address. Then I log into the direct admin, or when you are using GoDaddy or other website hosting provider, you can go to the cPanel. The direct admin is the similar to the cPanel. So what I am going to do is I going to set up the domain name here. So I just click the domain setup and I am going to add the new domain name. So here I am typing the domain name rbsprint.com and create the domain name in the hosting provider. So this step is very vital when you are going to host the domain name in a hosting provider. Once you have done as shown earlier, please copy the IP address. So that's the first step, and go back to the Cloudflare DNS settings. So here you have to click add record and click A, and in the name you just click asterisk and copy paste the IP address in the IPv4 address and click save. That is the first A record. Again click add record and here also type A. Then in IP4 address you just paste the IP address there, and in the name you have to copy paste the domain name, that is rbsprint.com. there's no www, just rbsprint.com, your domain name, and you can save it. That is the second step. So the third step is you have to add another third A record. So go to add record and type A, and here you have to click the name as www, and in IP4 address you just IP address in the hosting provider we have earlier done. So save. This is the third record. So there are 3 A records you have to add as mentioned here, and fourth record will be the MX record, that is for the email provider. So click type MX for the mail saver. For the name, copy paste the name as rbsprint.com, that is my domain name. For the mail server you have to type mail.yourdomainname.com, so that is the mail server, and TTS is auto and priority is 10, and then save. So these 4 steps are the main steps to set up the DNS in Cloudflare to host in different hosting provider. Once you have done, you are almost done. After that you can install the WordPress in your hosting provider, and you can see the domain is working perfectly. So thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel for